account health and order defect rate. When you sell in the Amazon store, you must comply with all applicable laws and Amazon policies. Our policies are in place for the protection of our customers and sellers. The Account Health Dashboard provides an overview of your account's adherence to the performance targets and policies required to sell in the Amazon store. Let's take a quick look at a few of those policies. Product quality and authenticity policies ensure that products our customers receive match the listing information on the product detail pages, such as expiration dates and condition. Our product safety and restricted products policies ensure that products are safe for customers and that they comply with regulations. When we identify products with a high safety risk, we either restrict the sale of the product or take extra precautions to ensure the product is safe. The Amazon Intellectual Property Policy protects the rights of intellectual property owners. Products listed in the Amazon store must not infringe on the rights of intellectual property owners, including copyrights, patents, and trademarks. The Amazon Anti-Counterfeiting Policy prohibits the sale of counterfeit products. It's your responsibility to source, sell, and fulfill only authentic products. The Multiple Accounts Policy recommends that you only have one seller account. Additional accounts are possible if you have a valid business reason, but all accounts must be in good standing. We have multiple policies to ensure customers have the best possible experience. For example, the Order Defect Rate Policy requires sellers to maintain an order defect rate under 1% in order to sell in the Amazon store. The order defect rate includes the negative feedback rate, A to Z guarantee claim rate, and credit card chargeback rate. Sellers who don't comply with our policies will be notified on the Account Health Dashboard. Failure to comply with any of our selling policies may impact your ability to sell in the Amazon store. You can find details about our selling policies by going to Seller Central and typing Selling Policies and Seller Code of Conduct into the search field at the top of the page. You can also view trainings on our policies in Seller University by searching for Seller Performance. This concludes our overview of Amazon selling policies.